Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to turn on captions on YouTube application. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the YouTube application. So after this you can see profile at the bottom right corner. So then click on gear options on the top right corner. So after this, here you can see when you will scroll down the page, captions. So just click on it, and here you can see show captions. So turn it on. So you can see in this way you can turn on captions. So if you want to change the caption size and style, so here you can also change the text size. So after that, here you can see large, small, very large. So you can select anyone. So after this, here you can also change the caption style. So after selecting the caption style, so you can also change the here you can see more options. So you can see here language. So you can also change the language of captions. So guys, in this way you can change caption setting, or you can turn on captions. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.